The Nutri Ninja BL482 is a 1000-watt personal blender that would be a really good option for everyone who is looking for a reliable blender without spending hundreds of dollars, so let's find out what's so special about it. The BL482 features an attractive chrome and dark gray finished construction that is composed of a control panel positioned with pre-programmed buttons and an LCD display on the front of the base, but the manufacturer has also included 3 sizes of Ninja cup, starting from 18 ounces, 24 ounces, 32 ounces, so you can use each of them depending on your requirements. For your information, this unit has 4 settings of which you can take an advantage, such as the blend, pulse, ultra blend and the multi-functional start and stop button, and when we add the presence of the integrated Pro extractor blades, it means that you will never face any difficulties in terms of use. According to those who've already purchased this product, the blending process is actually really smooth, due to the fact that the blades are strong enough to chop off whole foods, seeds and even ice, while extracting the vitamins, so the final result will be you drinking healthy and tasty drinks. Another great thing about this unit is that it packs BPA-free components, which by default means that your health won't be affected negatively, while on the other side, the Nutri Ninja BL482 is dishwasher safe as well, so won't have any difficulties when it is time for cleaning. Since I've mentioned the cleaning, I would like to advise you to clean this blender instantly after you're done making smoothies, because if the ingredients dry, you may encounter some difficulties. Finally, the only complaint users had regarding the Nutri Ninja's performance was the noise, but it is just a personal experience, so once you get this product, you will see whether you will like it or not, but either way, this doesn't mean that we are talking about a poor performer. To conclude, I strongly recommend you consider this product because it is affordable, and offers a great value for its price tag.